pills and stuff over here?
I don't need any pills. I think I have them all.
Refrigerator's still running.
Oh my god. The pictures are floating. Everything is all over the place. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Oh. This is not my front door. This is the kitchen. This is where we are right now. All the stuff I thought was gonna be safe, we put upstairs and we put up high. Jack on this table, they were so nice. Oh my god, this sewing room. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. There's nothing gonna be left that's worth anything in here. Nothing. Nothing.